Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set privacy on the chat on the Snapchat. And that chat will automatically delete after viewing the other person. So, or you can select the time. After that time, it will automatically delete it. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily do it. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then click on chat options. So after that you can see that I am chatting this persons. So I set the privacy on that person. So click on their profile and you will see three dots on top right. Click on it. Here you will see chat setting options. Click on it. And here you can see delete chat options. So you can select it after viewing or 24-hour after viewings. So when you will select after viewing, then that chat will automatically delete after viewings. So I will show you how it works. So here are the chats. So I have seen this chat. When I will go back, you can see our chat will automatically delete. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.